Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon. Method 1. Use Apple ID to reset screen time passcode. This is the easiest way. Go to Settings. Screen Time. Tap on Change Screen Time Passcode. Then tap Forgot Passcode. Enter the Apple ID and password used to set up the screen time passcode, and follow the instructions to turn off it. Method 2. Use device passcode to reset Apple ID password. If you don't know Apple ID password, you can first use device passcode to reset Apple ID password. Then use the Apple ID to reset screen time lock passcode. Go to Settings. Your name. Sign in and security. Change password. Then enter your device passcode to change Apple ID password. Then go to Screen Time. Tap on Change Screen Time Passcode. Tap Forgot Passcode. Enter the Apple ID and password to turn off the screen time. Method 3. Use Joyoshare to turn off screen time without data loss. If you forgot your Apple ID and it is grayed out, you can use Joyoshare iPasscode Unlocker to turn off screen time lock without data loss. Click on Unlock Screen Time Passcode. Click Start and your screen time lock will be removed within 30 seconds. Method 4. Use iCloud or Find My to delete screen time. This method will erase all your data. Please back up in advance. Click on the Sign In button to access your iCloud account. Under All Devices list, find and select your target iOS device. Among all options, choose Erase this device to erase all content in settings, screen time included. Method 5. Use iTunes/Finder to restore iPad. This method will restore your device to factory settings and erase all data. Please back up in advance. In iTunes, select Restore. If your device has Find My turned on, you have to put your iPad to recovery mode or view mode to restore it. There will be an activation lock after restoring. You can activate your iPad by entering your device passcode. If your device has Find My turned off, you can set up your device normally.